Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the random poll animation effect in CapCut PC to your text. Alright, so select your background, go to text, select default text, and you can just support option. Change for text. Right, change for one color and one style. Right, go to animation, select in or out, and you can find the random poll. Just download it. Random poll. Just for it vision. We go. So that's how you can add the random poll text effect in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.